Hi, my name is Nurfadhlin binti Ilyas and my metric number is CW230048. Well then, let me talk about cultured beverage, which is yogurt production. Yogurt is produced by the addition of beneficial bacteria such as Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, which ferments the milk sugar into lactic acid, thereby making thickening the milk and setting a slight sour or tangy taste. We move on to the principal process and technology involved. The first process is homogenization. It involves breaking down fat molecules to create a uniform mixture to prevent the cream from separating. This is done with technology running at temperatures of between 55 Celsius and 65 Celsius, as well as pressures of 10 to 20 megapascals. The second one is pasteurization, which ensures the milk safe by raising the milk temperature to 80 Celsius for 30 minutes. This process eliminates risky microorganisms such as bacteria and pathogens, making the milk safe for human consumption. The technology used gives an assurance of heating in a very standard manner to fit all the safety requirements. The third step is inoculation, where a starter culture such as beneficial bacteria or yeast is added to the base liquid. I would suggest this is one of the most critical steps in the process of fermentation. Special equipment is used in order to maintain the right amount of microbes in the systems, an aspect that is crucial to achieving the right level of fermentation and thus the right flavor of the products. Lastly, the fermentation process enables the culture to cultivate a flavorable temperature of 37 Celsius. It is important for building up the right quality of texture and taste of the end dairy product. In this process of fermentation, the technology employed holds a favorable temperature which is 37 Celsius. Compared to real commercial beverage, yogurt are more environmentally friendly to produce. The production process is concise and energy sparing and doesn't need much water and energy compared to making sugary products such as soft drinks, juice, and others. These products entail the use of locally sourced raw materials, thus have a low carbon footprint as they emit low transportation emissions and because they generate few byproducts. It therefore rightfully points out that increase in demand for yogurt is beneficial to the economy since it increases production, provides employment, and boosts agriculture. Yogurt is tied to the quest for a healthier lifestyle, and this trend raise the demand and therefore sales of yogurts. It therefore rightfully points out that increase in demand for yogurt is beneficial to the economy since it increases production, provides employment, and boosts agriculture. Yogurt is tied to the quest for a healthier lifestyle, and this trend raises the demand and therefore sales of yogurts. This increased demand leads to the production of dairy products, favoring the farmers who deal in dairy products and local suppliers. Besides that, yogurt is also found to support community interaction in diverse ways as well. Yogurt as a product is in high demand and directly links the local dairy farmers with the consumers. Small-scale yogurt producers in many communities also interact with the customers, learning from them and teaching them about local customs and details about the production of fermented products. Yogurt preparation involves use of standardized milk in which the fat content is brought to required percentage. The milk is then homogenized under pressure of 55 Celsius to 65 Celsius to make the milk smooth, free from fats globules. It is pasteurized at 80 Celsius for 30 minutes to control and kill bad bacteria and proteins respectively. Upon cooling to 40 Celsius until 45 Celsius, live yogurt cultures are added to the milk 2 to 3% to kick-start the fermentation process. After that, the mixture is incubated at 37 Celsius for 4 to 8 hours to ferment the lactose in milk and the milk becomes thick-forming curds. Flavors are added once curds are formed. The next step is filling into the containers. Last step, the yogurt is kept at temperatures below 4 Celsius so as to prevent the growth of bacteria that would adversely affect its texture and taste. In conclusion, pasteurization is a heat treatment applied to the food and drinks for destroying hazardous microorganisms and preserving food at the same time. Fermentation is also involved in yogurt making and the process needs temperature regulation, commonly between 30 Celsius to 40 Celsius, to encourage the growth of friendly bacteria. That's all from me. Thank you.